Welcome to the Health Leap Home Exercise Program Creator, your new companion for crafting therapeutic and fitness programs tailored to your clients' needs. My name is Ella. Whether you're a healthcare professional or fitness instructor, we provide a variety of detailed exercises to suit your clients' specific requirements. Our website offers a wide range of exercises designed to help your clients achieve the health and fitness goals you've set for them. Let's take a quick tour of what you can find inside. First up, we have created a body position filter where you can select the appropriate position for your client to perform the exercise. We understand that each client has different medical conditions, statuses, and limitations, and a certain exercise position may not be suitable for everyone. Therefore, we have prepared various options to accommodate different needs. Next, we have prepared a filter system that allows you to choose which side of the body the exercises are to be performed on. This feature is particularly important for clients suffering from left-right disorientation. This condition causes difficulty in distinguishing left from right and is often associated with neurological disorders. It can be a symptom of various conditions, including Gerstmann syndrome, dyslexia, developmental coordination disorder, or dyspraxia, stroke or brain injury, and Alzheimer's disease or other dementias. People with left-right disorientation may benefit from an exercise program that specifies the side on which the exercise is to be performed. Third, the filter system also allows you to select the specific body part affected or the neighboring joints involved in your client's condition. This helps narrow down the selection of appropriate exercises for you to choose from. Fourth, the exercise category list includes active range of motion. Exercises are movements performed by the individual without assistance. These exercises are designed to improve or maintain joint flexibility and muscle strength. Passive range of motion. Exercises are movements performed on a person's joints with the assistance of a caregiver, therapist, or another external force. Exercises are used to maintain or increase joint flexibility, prevent stiffness, and preserve joint function. Balance. Exercises are designed to improve stability and coordination, helping individuals maintain proper posture and prevent falls. These exercises target the muscles that keep you upright, including those in the legs and core. Balance training can be particularly beneficial for older adults, athletes, and individuals recovering from injuries. Breathing. Techniques designed to improve respiratory function, increase lung capacity, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. These exercises are commonly used in various therapeutic, fitness, and mindfulness practices. Core. Exercises designed to strengthen the muscles of your core, which include the abdominal muscles, lower back muscles, pelvic muscles, and the muscles around the hips. These exercises are essential for maintaining a strong and stable center, which is crucial for overall body strength, balance, and flexibility. Isometrics. A type of strength training where the muscle length and joint angle do not change during contraction. Unlike dynamic exercises, which involve movement and a change in muscle length, isometric exercises involve maintaining a static position. Machine. Machine exercises are a great way to build strength and target specific muscle groups. Mobility. Essential for maintaining joint health, flexibility, and overall movement capacity. They help you move freely and efficiently. Nerve flossing. Nerve flossing, also known as nerve gliding or neural gliding, involves gentle exercises that stretch and mobilize nerves. These exercises can help reduce pain and increase range of motion. Patient education. Process of providing information and guidance to patients about their health conditions, treatments, and self-care. It aims to empower patients to make informed decisions and actively participate in their own healthcare. Proprioceptive neural facilitation. Exercise techniques used in physical therapy and sports training to improve flexibility, strength, and coordination. These exercises focus on enhancing the body's proprioceptive feedback loops or awareness of body position to improve muscle function and movement patterns. Products. Exercises that use both rehabilitation and fitness products. These include, but not limited to, assistive device, ankle weight, BOSU, dowel, dumbbell, exercise ball, flex bar, foam roller, hammer, pressure biofeedback unit, and resistance band. Stretching. These are physical activities designed to improve mobility and flexibility, increase range of motion, and enhance muscle control and relaxation. These activities are crucial for reducing muscle soreness and preventing injuries, and are broadly categorized into dynamic and static stretches. We also understand that not everyone has access to a fully equipped gym. That's why we've created a selection of home workouts that require little to no equipment. Stay fit and active no matter where you are. And that's just the beginning. We constantly update our exercise library with new and exciting workouts to keep you motivated and challenged. Explore our website, find the exercises that suit your client's goals, and start your client's journey to optimal health. Don't forget to reach out to us if you wish to contribute your own exercise to the library. We are a community of practitioners, and you are always welcome here. Let's get moving together. Visit thehealthleap.ca today and start your therapeutic and fitness journey with your clients, with us behind you.